All right, here we go, bros. Look at this. It's snack time. I'm gonna make one of my favorite snacks of all time with my own little spin on it. The hot turkey leftover sandwich. Man, turkey smothered in gravy. The color might not be showing up right, and there's a little bit of fat on that gravy from Thanksgiving dinner, but believe me, it's gonna look good. I'm gonna get it all put together and let's go. So getting started with the garlic here, I'm not gonna cut it into really small pieces just because it's gonna go into the pan first with a little bit of oil, and I don't want it to completely burn to a crisp. Next thing is I got this big loaf of crunchy bread here. All right, so I got two thick slices, and I always save the end piece. That's a good piece. That's going to be for dipping in some turkey soup later. All right, let's move on to this turkey here. It's looking delicious. This is actually the first turkey I've ever cooked. Not quite sure what kind of meat I'm going to put in there. There's all that nice breast meat there, but I might take some dark meat in there as well. All right, guys, here we go. That is a lot of meat from one turkey thigh. All right, I got my favorite pan here, this stainless steel pan from Made In. Loving it. I'm just gonna toss in some olive oil here into a cold pan. I don't even have this on yet. All right, now I'm gonna grab the garlic. Don't worry about that little green spot in the middle. The garlic's still good. It had a little brown on the outside, whatever. It's just for flavor. Put it on medium heat, but this stovetop is a little unpredictable. Sometimes when it's on minimum, it kind of acts like it's on maximum, so I really gotta watch this here. All right, guys, I just pulled that garlic out, and I think I'm gonna put it back in at the end, but my pan's getting a little warm here. Let's start toasting some nice bread. Making a big old mess over here. All right, let's go. Always careful dropping something into hot oil. Number two, let's toast these bad boys up. This bread is starting to get a little golden brown, and this is gonna be awesome. It's smelling really good. You can really smell the garlic in here. All right, you can see those toast in there. Just gonna toss them into the oven. Oh, they're crunchy, right on the racks. It's all good. All right, the pan's a little bit toasty still. I took it off the hot burner. About to toss in the turkey. It's gonna be delicious. Wait for the sound. Let's go. One spot. All right, I'm gonna have to put the camera down and stir this bad boy. There's not even any heat on right now. That's how hot the pan is. All right, the turkey is still sizzling away. You can still see a little bit of the smoke. Well, at least I can right now. So it's starting to stick a little bit. So I'm just gonna add in a tiny splash of water, and then I'm gonna add the gravy. So I just did one better. I didn't add water. I added some of my turkey stock for my turkey soup that I got going on tomorrow, and I added the garlic back. All right, here we go. Now here comes the gravy time. It's not gonna look too good because the gravy's cold, but we're gonna do it. There, it was just that nice little layer of fat on top, but the gravy's looking good. All right, 4 scoops. We're in a good spot here. I wanna save a little bit of gravy. I might do one more. Here we go. We'll try that out. So we got the gravy mixed in there. It's looking good. It's smelling delicious here. I might just let it reduce a little bit because I think I might have put in a little bit too much turkey stock. Oh yeah, this is reducing like crazy. It's smelling so good right now. Oh, I just can't wait to eat it. This is gonna be delicious. All right, there we go, boys. Look at this big old thick turkey sandwich. It's crunchy. There, you can hear that. It's crunchy. It's looking pretty thick. There's a little bit falling out the back, but that's all good. It smells delicious. It's gonna taste delicious. And I say, hey, why not? Go for it. Try it. All right, boys. Catch you in the next one. Peace.